75% of companies today have a cloud migration strategy. Does your organization have a plan in place for moving to the cloud? Take your business agility to the next level. On-premise applications pose a variety of problems for businesses today. Among them are difficult to enhance, affecting business agility. Cloud solutions are becoming increasingly popular among businesses, but they need guidance on discover which applications are most suitable for cloud computing and why. Make the right choice for your cloud computing needs. The virtualization transition. Improve user adoption. The solution is a proven methodology and roadmap that provides low-risk, high-return value. Cloud Intel Assessment offering provides a proven methodology and roadmap to assist customers with their migration. This assessment consists of 5 phases. Nomination, discovery, business case, financial and business benefits, cloud strategy and migration roadmap with rightsizing, and BVA. It approximately takes 30 days or less and provides you with 6 simple yet powerful deliverables. Application discovery, database discovery, licensing, cost expenditure, security assessment, and cloud optimization. As a result of this data, Cloud Intel quantifies the estimated CapEx and OpEx costs of the current user inventory and the necessary capital to support the system. Based on the current environment and the target cloud environment, the system provides an executive summary of the business value analysis report. Among the features of Cloud Intel Migration Roadmap are implementation of a comprehensive IT strategy with a set of cloud readiness recommendations, TCO analysis, application and database migration readiness, application and database modernization remediation. Led with innovation and managed databases value prop to modernize legacy and cloud-native applications. Workload and application reference architectures for cloud migration. A plan for the next phase and a statement of work for it. Effectiveness of Cloud Intel solutions to many industries, including manufacturing, retail, healthcare, agriculture, finance, public sectors, education, media, and more. Contact us today to start your first assessment.